Hi guys, I am Nash and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and tap the bell on so you get notified every time I post. For today's video guys, I am again doing a thrift flip. Sorry. Is this an addiction? Am I addicted to two-piece sets? Am I addicted to cutting my clothes? I don't know, but here, what I'm wearing right now is another two-piece set from a men's shirt. So, girls, if you have your dad's old polo shirt, or if you have your ex's stuff still at home, then you better cut it. Cut all the memories and create something to be like a baddie like me. Char! Anyway, guys, so I made another two-piece set. Actually, it's a three-piece, pero kasi it has a jacket then. Oh my god, do you know it there? No? So, if it's cold, just like how your last relationship was, you can use this. But if it's not cold and you wanna flaunt everything, then like this. It's three-piece kasi top, bottom, and the jacket. But I'm gonna say two-piece set because I want my titles to be uniform, two-piece set. Anyway guys, if you're interested, then let's get into the video. Bye! Speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. So guys, I don't have a before photo, but I wore this one sa aming Christmas party. So, ginupit ko lang siya, like the top and the remaining cloth, ginawa ko siyang pleated skirt. Then, sinuot ko siya for my Christmas party. I'll put the photos. And then, hindi ko na siya bet. Like, I don't like pleated skirts actually. Because I have big thighs and I have short thighs. That's it. That's the reason. So, what I did was I tried to make it like an A-line skirt. It's very easy, guys. Like, super easy. You don't need anything like needle and thread lang, pwede na. So, I made, this is the remaining cloth, and I just used a guide, yung favorite kong guide na skirt. Then, that's it. Tinahi ko na. Ganun lang kabilis. I got the shirt, the men's shirt for, mahal siya, medj. Kasi, char, hindi siya mahal. Oh my God, I forgot. Sa binyan ko siya nabili na ukay. Then kasi nag-ukay ako kasi I really need to look for checkered prints dahil for my Christmas party, it's only 25 pesos. Pinagmamayabang ko pa yun sa mga workmates ko na it's 25 pesos lang yung aking pinang Christmas party. Yan. And, let's see how far can your 25 pesos look like. So, let's get into the tutorial video. I have addiction to reformation pieces and also the patterns and the type of cut they have on their dresses. It's like straight cut, very prim and proper, kind of like that. So I have this remaining, ooh, my nails are so nice. I have this remaining cloth from a big polo I got because I wore it in my Christmas party. So this one, I'm going to use a guide to make an A-line skirt. I have an A-line skirt which is really my favorite. The fit is perfect. So I'm going to use this skirt as a guide. So we'll make 4 pieces. We'll make 3, I'm sorry. 1, 2, and 3, the back piece. So now what I'm gonna trace is the front piece. Together with the buttons, I would align just like how this one would look like. I will align it from here. So I'll use this as a pattern to get the 2 front pieces first before the back. And we'll see if I could also make a top out of it if the cloth permits. So let's get it started. So now here it is. Use this one as a guide, but I'll make it a bit bigger, at least like an allowance. So here will be the 2 front pieces, and this is the part where I cut because this one is perfectly fine. This one I'll make a cut So I'm going to cut this part and sew it. That's it. Now once it's cut, we set it aside first because we're going to make a waistband from the remaining piece. Set it aside. For the waistband, just going to follow the diagonal lines like this one. Going to cut like 2 lines and fold it in the middle and then sew it there as a waistband. So let's cut. Now that I made 2 pieces, I'm going to fold it and sew it here in the middle for the waistband part. So basically that's how you'll start sewing. You close this part first, then attach the waistband. Okay, let's get into sewing. So for the next part, we'll be adding the waistband to the skirt. So what you have to do is to fold the waistband like this and sew it right sides together with the skirt so that when you open it again like that, the right sides will both show. If you're not if you're not yet that good in sewing, you can use pins. For me, I don't like using pins because I'm left-handed, so the way I put pins is opposite to how the sewing machine would eat the cloth, so it's hard. So let's try and sew it like this. Okay, so the skirt is done. Just have to sew some button or a clasp for this closing part, and now we're off to make the top. Now here is the working area for the top. It's a small piece, so let's accept that we're going to make a backless out of it. Just make the front piece here and some strings here, and that's it. So we're going to make a halter, like a triangle for the halter, and we will attach the strings to the side. That's gonna be it. Sadly, we don't have cloth left. So I drafted the piece I want, halter, and with darts para may shape pa rin sa boobs part. So that is where we'll cut it and sew it together. So I'm gonna add some darts here also. So let's do the cutting. So now, sorry for my foot. So now we have the pieces cut together. We're going to sew and seam. Bye. So for the front piece, I'm going to attach another piece here as a lining. And before attaching, I made this string, and we're going to use that here. So we will sew them all together here inside, sandwich it, and sew them all together. We're going to flip it for it to look like a blouse. Now sew 2 rectangle pieces from the remaining thread. That will work as your back piece where you could use to tie. And hem all the sides. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. The tutorial is not very in-depth because I always do 2-piece set na lang. So you just look at the other videos. I'll link the videos ng very in-depth 2-piece sets ko na ginagawa. So guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and tap the bell on so you get notified every time I post. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. It's Instagram and Twitter at Queen Nash Rapi. See you on my next video that is hopefully not going to cut clothes and make it look like a clothes of a baddie, trying hard baddie. See you! Bye!